Hi guys, I'm Varun and today we're going to be doing a classic oriental dish. It's a take on the classic beef and broccoli stir fry, but since beef is not that popular in India and many of you don't eat it and don't prefer it also, so that's why I'm doing a variation of it and I'm using chicken instead of beef, and that's why I'm going to be doing a chicken and broccoli stir fry. It's a really simple recipe. It takes about 10 minutes. It's just a quick stir fry of these ingredients that go amazingly well together with flavors of soy and ginger and garlic, the classic combination, and it's an absolute cracker of a dish. So let's check out the recipe.